Hey YouTube, it's me Rodney again. Today I'm doing the JLT 3.0 oil separator for my 2013 F150 5 liter. I'm going to give you a little demonstration of how to install it. It's fairly easy. But the YouTube videos I've seen really don't show it very well, so I'm going to show it. We're going to start by taking this one right here off, this line right here, going to here, and we're going to put the oil separator on this. I'm going to mount it to the wall over here, right here. So, as soon as I get started here, I'll film some more of it. First thing we're going to do is we're going to mount the mounting bracket to the front of the truck there with these parts right here. They're going to mount over here. Right where that little hole is. Right there in that little hole. It's in there. It'll mount right there. Back it off. Get an idea where it is. Now I'll set up the camera and you can watch me do it. Okay, I mounted it wrong, so I had to flip the bracket around. So I'm going to remount it the right way. It didn't have enough room for the hoses to get over. I wasn't paying attention. You got to read the little letters on top. And I didn't do that, so here we go. Okay, all that's left is to mount the hoses up, and I'll set it up for that. Okay, the one with a 90 degree, this one here, will go down onto the PVC right here, and the one with a 45 degree attached thing goes into the manifold, the intake manifold, which I'm going to hook up right now. Listen for the click. You'll know it's on there then. Okay, there it is. It's all done. Hope you could see all that. Back it out a little bit. It is mounted up there. Easy smeezy, it's all done.